What's up? It is Thursday night. As you can see behind me, the trailer is loaded up. She's all set to go. Oh, I gotta put the hood on. Of course, you got a little moto in the front, my buddy's moto. Nice tight fit. Terrible trailer. But so far so good. Still gotta pack some pit boxes and stuff, but she is itching to go. So we'll see that in the next part of the video. Let's do this. Well guys, we made it. Olaf Adventure Festivus. Gotta get the race truck off, set up some shift pods, get this thing going. Here she is in the desert environment. I'll give you a walk around. I'm not gonna talk, I'm just gonna give you the walk around. My shadow right in it. Man, that grill looks so cool. So far so good, nothing crazy's happened. A few little chatter, it might be clutch, I'm not sure. We're still feeling her out, see what's what. So far so good. Have a power steering that's probably gonna be getting changed out. That rack is old and I know it's seeping already, so we're gonna change a rack out, not here but when we get back. There's some other things. Black Rifle Coffee Company has their chopper running around out here. We'll get some videos of this thing ripping. Here we are, first Everyman coming through. Right off the race course over here, Yokohama, 1461 maybe? We got helis. Ooh-wee. Drinks. Heck yeah, it's gonna be a good hammer strip. I actually drove the race truck over here. I'm gonna walk over and take a video of that. Yeah. Justin, what you got there?
Oh, you know,
Tony.
My man Cannon that I stole from Tony.
The Dirty Harry bug assault gun? Yeah, nice.
Someone's gonna get shot with
We're all moving to Montana from here. No, this will hurt.
Great skid. I got the pump action.
I just want to find it. Yeah,
Oh yeah. Well guys, you saw the epic stuff that happened. Here she is. I think I was having a little bit of fuel cutout problems near the end. Pretty sure I got bad fuel, or not bad fuel, I got foam in my pickups. But she was so beautiful. And we were just so happy. We just partied all night last night. But now it's time to load her up, say goodbye. That's it. And Landon's making friend zones. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm so stoked that this thing just flies like a freaking eagle. I can't wait to get back to actually upload this and share this with you. My old girl is like this close, just a couple little things that we figured out, nothing too major, and I'll go over that when we get back and try and get a race ready. So I'm thinking probably May. That's probably the soonest I have open schedule and there's a race happening, so pretty stoked to get going. But like, subscribe to all the things, and we'll see you on the next time. All right, what do we got going here?
So, hello, Mr. Groters.
Hi.
We are here at Little Cletus Pizzeria. And we have an assembly line going on right now. It consists of me kneading, jerking, and making the dough.
Oh, that's a good thumb motion.
Kneading it.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay.
So we have that. And then we move to
Oh,
the assembly
pesto?
line. And this
Wow.
is going to be a
Wow.
pesto, arugula.
I was gonna do pesto,
Goat
caramelized
cheese.
Wow.
onions, goat cheese, and arugula.
that is
Right there with
fancy.
the goat cheese.
That is fancy.
All
didn't have-
vegetarian?
And then we
Right
have
there.
a pizza oven over there.
So then that's our Master Chef 3000 pizza.
The MasterChef 3000.
3000.
Wow.
And it cooks
Wow.
the pizza in under 4 minutes.
Okay.
Did you want regular
We have
cheese?
Brian Ortis supplying cocktails from Only the Best.
I'm out of cocktails. All right. Well, we'll check back once things are better.